The 8 News Now team is asking for your help pitching in for our community. Our company Nexstar is celebrating its founding with Founders Day on Friday, June 15th. In honor of that, we're teaming up with the PAL and V Foundation to help low-income families, senior citizens, veterans, and the homeless care for their dogs and cats. This is done by providing pet food and cat litter each month for free. So on June 15th, you can drop off your donations right here at 8 News Now from 6:30 in the morning till 5:30 in the evening at 3228 Channel 8 Drive, a worthwhile cause that you can jump in on Friday.